Wajwala?
Yeah.
Igama lakho bani?
Yes. Hatiyo.
Wangathuthuki.
Ukuthi nje ayi naka ngithembisi yo.
Uthandana nomuntu owani?
Yeah.
Uthandana for how long?
1 year and 6 months.
1 year and 6 months. Are you happy?
Ay, uyangidla umfana.
What do you mean?
Uyangidla shini.
Ugidla yini?
Kunini angithithela?
Oh, yakuchithela?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why you took time.
Yangisogolisa uTiyo.
So
Namanje ngeke ngimangale vele.
oh Hashem. So when utholeka how many times ukuthi uyachitha?
3 times.
What was the worst experience ile gore umthole ayetha like something?
Tiyo ungithithele cousin yakhe. Yeah. So yeah.
I'm shy as a cousin. Yeah. Hectic.
Yeah.
So Mthembi.
Angisamthembi.
Wena uchitha?
Angichithi.
So usafuna siyenze i-loyalty test?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ngiyakuzwela yazi. Ikuphi phone yami? Phethe weapon. Yo. Thank you. Cala ufake ama number wakhe. Theo.
Hayi Tiyo nje. Yes.
So wena manje uyaphi?
Ngisala emall.
Uyi-1.
Yeah, ngisana.
Ufuna bakushele ne?
Yeah, noma bangangishela ishimi. At least.
Can you give up on your relationship?
Sisajola ngoba nje sekuyajola.
My sister, don't say that.
Sika Tiyo dlala ngami. Yena ngikhathele.
Mara relationship yenu yona beside ukuchitha ezinye izinto zona zinjani semi kanjani? Like uyakubheja
Loyo.
uyakunika.
Akabheja uTiyo. Akabheja uTiyo. Angazi ubheja abakenze njani.
The last time he gave you money, how much did he give you?
300. Forget ikhanda kuphela. Yabona, kumele ngisafulile. Ngayenza ikhanda le 70 rand.